Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a beginner sneaker haul. If you've been following me for some time now, then you would know that I really love my heels as well as sandals. Sneakers are not something that I'm really like big into, but I honestly took a interest in sneakers like over the past year or so. So these are sneakers that I've been collecting for about a year, sneakers that I really actually wear on a day-to-day basis and that I love dressing up. This is not no big exclusive haul. It is a starting point for me, but I am super happy with what I have so far and I just want to share it with you guys. If you do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hey girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam. And if you are returning, hey boo, welcome back. I do hope that you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright, so if any of these sneakers are available, I will link them down below. Anyway, so the first pair that we're going to start off with, they're not really sneakers, but I wanted to include them in this haul anyway because, you know, it kind of gives you the illusion of sneakers, and they are my Yeezy foam runners. So this is what it looks like. I did get I think these are called Stone. I'm not exactly sure the color that I got these in. I got these in a size US 8. I love these foam runners so much. They're super duper comfortable. Like, I am not lying to you. I wasn't a big fan of these whenever they first came out, but as I started to see them more and more, I just grew to love these, especially the way that people were styling them and then just how quick and easy they were to just throw on and go. So I was like, okay, let me invest in a pair of these. Now, I'm not exactly sure the retail price of these foam runners here. The only way that I could get these shoes is off a third-party website, and they were like extremely expensive. I did get these off of GOAT, and I'm not exactly sure how much I paid, but I think it was like $345 or $379 for brand new foams and that were already pre-verified. As far as like the comfort level, girl, these are super duper comfortable. Like, I cannot even explain to you how comfortable these are. You can literally slide them on. You do not even have to use your hands to put these shoes on. You can literally wear this with so many outfits. I've worn this to the airport. I've worn this just out and about running errands, and I just love like dressing these up with like anklets and stuff. It just looks super duper cute. I know people have a love-hate relationship with this shoe. A lot of people like them, a lot of people don't like them, so you know, to each his own. These fit me perfectly. I have the perfect amount of space to wear thick socks, thin socks, or no socks at all. I do want to let you guys know I do have wide feet, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not, if you should go down a size, but for me with wide feet, they fit perfectly. So the next pair of shoes I just recently got, these are the women's Air Max 4 Yosa. I think I'm saying that right. Don't get on me, girl. But this is in the metallic silver, black, and white color. I got this in a 9.5, and they look like this. This is a women's shoe, and this is how it looks. Oh my God, I love, 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 love this shoe so freaking much. So as you can see right here, it has the metallic, and then it has the black and white. One of the things I really love about this shoe, honestly, is the fact that it has like this little extra shoestring right here, and then it ties into like a little bow back here. It just adds like the perfect girly touch, if you know what I mean. That's something that I love about it, but it is a very high, like thick shoe. I don't know if you can see right here, but this little cutout right here, so you can definitely see in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. I just love this whole design. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. It is so comfortable, girl. Like, oh my gosh. I worn this with like a black one piece, some chunky socks, some anklets. I've also worn this with like a two-piece gray set that I got from Naked Wardrobe. You know they sets be hitting, with also some anklets, and it was just so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, like I just love this shoe so much. It is definitely different. Like I stated, it gives you like that platform vibe. So as far as the price, I paid $160 for this shoe. So again, I love it. It's very stylish. All right, so the next shoe that I got is the Nike Air Max Up. This is in the color champagne / white and black, and I got this in a size US 9. This is how this shoe looks. Gorgeous. How both of them look. So this is how both of them looks here in the front. I've only worn these like once. They did kind of make my feet hurt just a little bit. I do love these shoes. They're not like my absolute favorite. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of has like a little slant here. But again, super duper cute shoes. I already know that Air Max's shoes are very comfortable anyway, so I don't really have to keep saying like if they're comfortable or not. I will say that like after a while of wearing these shoes, they did kind of make my feet hurt like a little bit, you know, like here on the side. So I guess they are a little bit more on the narrow side, and I probably could have went up like maybe a half size or a whole size. I love these, and they're just like a little cute, you know, a little cute statement. Okay, you can have like a plain outfit, throw these bad boys on here, and your outfit is complete. And I think I paid $130 for these. All right, so moving right along, the next pair of shoes that we have here are the Air Max 270, and I got these in the size US 10, which are for women. These shoes are extremely narrow. Okay, very narrow. I was definitely looking for an all black sneaker girl, because why not? It's just necessary to have like an all black sneaker, because you know it literally is neutral, it goes with anything. So these are what they look like, and I always wear these shoes, girl. Like I said, I did have to go up like a whole size because they are very narrow, but you literally just slide your feet in. It's really nothing that you can do whenever it comes to tying the shoe. I mean, I guess it will make it just a little bit tighter, but you just honestly slide your feet in this. And I guess that's the reason why I had to go up a size, because of like the way the shoe is made. They're very comfortable. You can literally dress these down, run errands in them, or you can dress them up, you know what I mean, make them, you know, a little stylish streetwear look. And I like them. I'm not exactly sure the price. I probably paid about like $130 for these, but I don't know. All right, so here's the next pair of sneakers that I have. To be honest with you, I don't even remember like the what these shoes are called. I have the box in my closet, but I can't get to it right now, so I will try and leave it in the description box if you are interested. But these are also Nike Air Max shoes. If you can't tell, I really like Nike Air Max. Like, they're so on trend with like who I am and like what I would wear if I was just to wear like sneakers all the time. So this is what the shoe looks like. They're gray. They have Nike Air Max here on the side in black. I think what I really love the most about this shoe is just like the pop of color here. It's like this little neon orange. Like, I can definitely throw on something orange, or I could do all black. We still have a look. So it's so many different ways that I could wear this shoe. I really like the design in this shoe. I don't even know if you can see here, but it has like this little crisscross, like, I don't know, hatching, I don't know what it's called, girl, like details. So I like that. That's what it has. And again, I'm just like so in love with like this whole shoe. Super cute and stylish. I don't really know how else to describe it. As far as the comfort level, it's there, baby. I did get this in a size US 8, and this is men's sizes, so yeah, girl. All right, so the next pair of shoes I have here are these, and these are called Nike's daybreak casual shoe. That's what it says. Oh my god, y'all, I love this shoe so much. Okay, like when I tell y'all I always be wearing these shoes, these are literally like my go-to. You cannot tell me that this is not a cute little shoe here. Let me, girl, definitely my style. Definitely a nice little casual shoe to wear. These can be dressed up and down. Like, you can literally just wear this with anything. You can wear this with so many different items and it's just gonna look good. I wore this with a baby blue set, and it really just made like the whole outfit like pop. You guys have seen me in my vlogs wear this shoe with like a lot of different sets. Like, it just literally, like, just the color of this shoe really complements a lot of different like outfits. As far as like comfort, like, they're comfortable, but this right here, like this little side piece here, it really rubs my toe, and I just hate it. Like, you cannot wear this shoe without socks, and sometimes even if you do have socks on and they're not thick, the side right here, it's like even really hard. Like, you can feel it. It really, like it be catching the pinky toe all the time, and I'm just like, girl, I don't want to have corns. Like, I don't. But it is a little bit uncomfortable right here. The sizing fits great, but maybe go up a size because it, you know, it rubs right here. As far as like the style of the shoe, baby, these were meant for me, okay? They were $100. They're now on sale for $80. As they have other colors, I definitely recommend these shoes. And if I haven't stated to you, I did get these in a size US 8, which are men. The next pair of shoes I got are these here. These are women's Nike Air Max 270s, and these are like just gray and like purple. When I seen these in the store, I just had to get them. I just, again, like the color of them, the style of them, and just everything. I love like I stated, Nike shoes. And I have worn this at the airport. I've worn this like with an all gray sweatsuit because I wore this like back in November when I went to Miami, and just to have like this pop of color like the purple, it just really did it for me. So I just really love, you know, the color combination in this shoe. Very comfortable. I definitely recommend these shoes. 10 out of 10. As far as like the price that I paid for these shoes, I want to make sure that I'm giving you like accurate pricing. I got these back in 2020. They were $170, but they are on sale now for $109.99 at Foot Locker. So love these. All right, so the next pair of shoes I got are these white shoes here. It's probably going to be really hard to see because it's so bright in here, but these are the women's Nike Air Max 97. I got these from Finish Line. I feel like everybody and their mama got these shoes, you know what I mean? I feel like this is just the shoes that everybody like always get. I wanted these shoes, and I definitely wanted them in like a neutral color so I can really like dress them up. Believe it or not, I rarely ever wear these shoes. I probably only worn these like once or twice. They're not really my favorite because like they're not too comfortable. Like, I don't know. They look brand new, okay? Because your girl don't be wearing them as much as I wear the other ones, because like I said, they're not comfortable like on me. So maybe I do have to try and like go up a size, but this is how they look. I really do like the style of these shoes, like, to be honest with you, and I really wish that I liked them on me, and I really wish they were comfortable. I got these in a size US 8, but I guess like I said, I would have to go up a size just to get a little bit of extra room, because like they're just not comfortable. I did get these in store. I did try them on before then, but I think sometimes trying the shoes on in store and getting like the thin socks just don't work. I feel like you have to bring in or already have like a thick sock on, you know, so it'll work out for you. So that's just my bad, girl. Like I said, if I was to repurchase these shoes maybe in like a different color, I would definitely go up like a size, like a half size or a whole size, because I rarely ever wear these, and I feel like these were expensive. I'm about to see how much these were. Yeah, these were $170, and girl, like I said, I've only worn them twice. Going to the airport and probably like just to walk around a little bit, but they were hurting my feet, so I was like, girl, I gotta take these off. Like, I feel like I'm in heels. So yeah, this is what they look like, but other than that, these still are a really nice like shoe. All right, so I got another pair of white shoes, which are these. I wear these, but I barely wear these. These are the Nike Shox Nova 2. These were $150, and I got these in a size US 9.5. I think these are women. I think these are women's shoes, I would assume. I think these are, yes. So y'all, backstory on this. Okay, talk about influence. I love when people influence me to buy stuff. I don't know why. So I got these shoes because of De'Ara. Now, I didn't get the exact kind that she had. I just hate paying like a lot of money for like shoes, but you know what I mean? I was like, I really want these shoes. The way that she had wore these shoes, I was like, baby, like, stop playing with the girls. So I literally found the shoes and purchased them. The kind of shoes that she had, like, they were just a little bit different. Like, they had a little bit different of designs here. I don't even know if you can see, but like right in here and like here, it was like a little bit different. But I was like, hey, looks the same. I do not wear them a lot, but I love the shoes. Comfortable. I can wear them with thick socks. The shoe in itself is like very chunky. Like, as you can see, all this down here is like really chunky. It looks like you can just bounce on these or whatever. So I just love the style of this shoe. Like, because the shoe like is just so chunky in general, I love wearing this with like jogger sets, chunky socks, and just chunky anklets. Like, I think it looks so good. I would try and insert a picture on how I wore these shoes, but yeah, I love these shoes. De'Ara had it, so I had to get it. Like, I just love the way that she styled, literally the way that she styled these shoes. All right, girl, so there's one pair of shoes that I got that I don't have like on me right now. I don't know where it's at, but I promise you I got them, and I will definitely put it like here on the screen. The next pair of shoes that I am going to show you is the Nike NSW React Vision. I got these in a size US 9. When it comes to sneakers, I'm very much out of my comfort zone, you know what I mean? I want sneakers in my collection that I can wear with anything, so I'm playing with colors, I'm playing with styles, and so forth and so on. So when I seen these in the store, I was like, I got to have it. I love the pastel vibes on these sneakers. I have not worn these shoes like that either, which is so horrible of me, but I really am just like collecting them. I just love the style of these shoes here, just so freaking cute. And again, like I can wear like a plain basic outfit. It's definitely a summer shoe because of all the colors that it has going on. I got them in a size 9. They fit pretty well. Here is the box. I promise you I got the shoes. It's funny, but yes, I promise you I got these shoes here. Literally, I don't even know if it shows or whatnot, but this is the Nike NSW React Visions. Like, I promise you I have these shoes. I just gotta find them. Like, my life is a mess right now. So, all right, we're coming down to the end of the video. All right, so the next pair of shoes that I got, I'm actually just gonna show you like together because they're literally like the same like shoe. These are these Adidas shoes right here. So that's what they're looking like. These are the last 2 pair of shoes, honestly. These are legit like my favorite shoe. I'm trying to like give you a close-up. So these are the Adidas original NMD R1 casual shoe. Girl, I don't know, that's too much. So I paid $130 for these shoes, but they're on sale now for $115. Like, I'm literally looking at them. My battery died. I just had to change my battery. Like, angle may be slightly off. I always be so confused. Like, every time I change my battery, like I can never get it back just the way that I had it. This is just how it looks here. Sorry if it is so bright, but yeah, so it's just an all white shoe, and then it has kind of like this salmon color. It has like this salmon pink color, like the stripes here, and then right here too. So absolutely love this shoe. But girl, let me tell you, like, first of all, I'll be wearing the freak, okay, the freak out of these shoes. So that's what these look like. And then these are the other pair that I got, which is all that salmon pink color. So this is what that looks like. And then it has like little specks of white here. This is just how the back looks here. Now, yes, girl, I got these shoes. It still has the tag on it. I have not worn these yet. But let me tell you something about these shoes. These shoes are so comfortable. You literally just like slide them on. Like, it's literally like conforms to your foot. It literally feels like you have nothing on. I was able to go down a size in these. They run a little bit big, and I think it's just like how they're made, like the material of it. I can't even explain it to you. You'll have to go in store to try it if you have never tried it before. And these are also something that I recommend. 10 out of 10. Definitely a great shoe. I haven't worn these yet. I just haven't had the time to like wear them. I don't know, or the outfit to wear them with. So yeah, these are the last 2 pair of shoes to show you. All right, babe, so that completes my beginner sneaker haul collection. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below letting me know what was your favorite pair out of this haul. And thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video.